Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you if you want to disable all the extensions, all the installed extensions in VS Code temporarily for the time being. If you are testing something, if you want to disable all the extensions, then you can do it inside VS Code. Just press the shortcut key Control Shift P and open the command palette and simply type here disable all extensions, disable all installed extensions. So this option will come right here. Disable all installed extensions, and similarly we also have the option to enable all extensions. So if I just select this option, disable all installed extensions, so one by one it will basically disable all the extensions that you have installed here. You can see that now each and every extensions has been disabled. So now you can test, you can troubleshoot any kind of problem that you have inside your VS Code by disabling all the extensions. So this single command will let you do this. Simply type Control Shift P and just search disable all extensions and it will disable it. And now if you want to enable it, simply again type the shortcut key Control Shift P and go to command palette and simply type here enable all extensions. So now it will enable one by one all the extensions. You can see that. So it's that easy. And if you don't want to do this, there is one other alternative way. You go to the profile section right here and you can create a new profile. This is my default VS Code profile here, which contains all these extensions. You can click the new profile button and simply create a custom profile, and here you basically doesn't install any sort of extension. So just simply click the create button and then this is your simple profile which doesn't contain any sort of extension. So here we can simply change this to use this profile for. Now you can see it doesn't contain any sort of extension. So this is the second way by which you can create a new profile in VS Code to actually doesn't contain any extension. So in this easy way you can disable or enable extensions in VS Code. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.